Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon, Miss Monica.
Okay, so today, as usual, we're going to the evaluation. I will ask from the LP for this week. It is about Sanskrit.
Yes.
So please explain to me, Miss, for this week in Sanskrit.
For this week, our Sanskrit is only about review. So we have review Unit 1 and Unit 2. The sounds there are there are six for
Six?
each. Yeah, for each unit they have three.
What
We
is-
have three sounds. So the amount of the sound if 2 unit is 6, and then for each sound they have four example. They have four words that they are different, like at, if at, set, met, that, and then there is that one in Unit 1, and then am, if am, yam, jam, ram, if app, cap, tap, nap. That one all in Unit 1 and Unit 2. We have three more. That one is that one are egg, and at. So if egg, that one whack, rack, back. If and that one is fan, van, can, and if at, that one is fat, and that one is
Fat only.
no fat, rat, bed. That one.
So there are 6 sounds, yeah.
Sorry, Miss.
There are 6 sounds, yeah.
Yes, there are 6 sounds because they have 2 units.
All right. Now we move to little steps. Here, still about what
Five
can we do
sense,
with
yeah.
our senses.
Senses.
So because this is same with last week, right?
Yes.
The topic. So what do you do here? You repeat the same question.
Actually, for this week or for the next on this week, so we continue the page, right? This on this page for this week we focus to the each senses, like because the last week we just give them the general one, like 5 sense: taste, smell, hear, see, and then touch. But in here on Monday we just focus on the one what we feel and what we smell. And then on Tuesday we have what we see, what we hear, and what we taste. That one is.
So what did they answer when you asked this? What does your favorite food smell like?
The answer like my favorite smell. I like pizza and cake, and then because that one is the good smell. I explained about 2 kinds of the smell, good smell and bad smell. But if you smell dustbin, if you smell your sock, that is bad smell, like that.
Not the new socks, yeah? The socks that
Yeah,
has been used.
yes,
Okay.
the old one.
How about the flower? Because she didn't see what the flower smell like. So what did they
Yes,
answer?
because on that page we show someone is smelling a flower. As we know that the smell of flower is good smell. That one is. So they answer.
What kind of flower?
That one is rose, or sunflower, like that.
So they answer? That's
They answer,
good smell,
that is
miss.
the good smell, miss.
Okay, so next. Okay, this is still about the senses, yes. Okay, this one. What is the relation of the senses to? Can you tell me where's the position of the tickles?
Because the senses is about not only about feel and touch and smell, but next day we have about see, and then that one is about hear and taste. That one the correlation of the relation of the position of the tickles. The tickles is a cat in cat in Little Step Book, and then the picture show where's the tickles, because as we know that we see something and we see the position like table or chair, like that. where is the tickles like that, right? Means there are two flowers and the tickles is in the middle. Of course, we say that is between. And then that one there is a fridge, and the tickles is in there. The
Behind the
tickles is
fridge?
no, next to the fridge.
Oh, next to the fridge.
And then if one more is coach. Coach, I mean like sofa, that one. the tickles is behind the coach, that one. So if
There are three pictures, you mean?
sorry,
There are three pictures.
there are three pictures, yes.
So after they answer, the
After
position-
they answer that one on that page, we just focus to see, and then we continue another page that is about that one combined means in one page there are two sentences here and then taste. So there are about how many ya? Five yes, 5 pictures, and then
just now you said three.
no, that one another page.
Oh,
again,
another
next page.
page.
Next page. About that one salty, and then what's that? Salty, loud, quiet, and then what is that? Sweet. That one. So in that on that page, we just focus to hear and taste. That one is.
Okay, so when you ask them, okay, students, can you mention some of taste? I mean, why do you put the sum? Can you mention the sum of taste? Is it grammatical?
Not the right.
Iya, the no need. You don't
Yes.
need to put that. Can you mention the sum?
Can you mention some of taste? Yes.
Or some of the taste?
Some of the taste. Some of.
Or some taste?
Some taste. Yes.
I mean, what did they answer?
oh, the answer.
Could they?
Sorry.
Could they do that? Could they answer?
Yeah, sure. They just know about salty and then sweet, and then but I told to them that is bitter. If you drink medicine,
Okay,
you
so how can you describe four of this
for
taste?
what taste?
Oh yeah, sour, sweet,
yeah,
bitter,
sour.
salty.
If you eat candy, you will taste sweet candy. But some of candy, you will taste sour based on their flavor. Like if orange or lemon, the taste is sour. If that one is like what is that? Yeah, like grapes and strawberry, you will taste that is sweet. If that one lemon, yes, that one is sour, right? Lime. If salty, when you eat the chips, that one you will taste the chips salty.
You didn't say like salt in the kitchen, no?
Salt, yes, they know.
Oh, they
Actually, they know not chips, miss, but salt because salty salt. They know about it.
They know about it. But besides salt, you give example like chip.
Yes.
How about bitter?
Bitter, I taught to them about medicine. When you are sick, you have to drink medicine. You will taste the medicine is bitter, or when you drink a coffee, you will taste bitter. That one.
I forgot. One of the teachers said to me that she gave an example to the students. Okay, example is like shampoo. And then I asked her, have you ever tasted shampoo? Yes, miss, I tried. That is not the name. That's
We
Miss
can
Natang.
Oh yes.
And then she gave the, for example, shampoo. She said that. Okay then. We move to rainbow science. Okay, this one about
The characteristic of water.
yes. Please
Yes.
explain about this.
I explain the water first. Water is a gift. It is a gift from our God, from a gift from nature. I say like that. And then the water is clear, not white. That's why if everyone needs water, not only for take a bath, not only for drink, but of course we need to we need water to cook sometimes like that. And then water there's no shape, but they can follow the shape, like they follow the container. So there are 4 kinds of the container that I showed to them. And that one is bowl, and then bottle, vase, and jar. So
Vase or vase?
vase. Sorry, miss, vase. So for each container, they will follow the containers, and then I give the example in front of the class. I use their bottle because one of my student has different bottle, like the bottle follows like T-Rex, miss.
Oh.
So I show to them the different one like this, the usual, the as usual bottle,
The standard
and
bottle.
and then with the T-Rex bottle, so they can if I pour the water until full, the water will follow the T-Rex one,
the
so
container.
so they can see their goodness.
The difference.
Yeah, the difference.
Okay, this one. What did they answer when you ask? Can you give the example of things that cannot hold water?
Yes, because I showed to them that that one like vase, and then baby bottle, and then that one is pail. Some of things that can hold water and cannot hold water, like table, basket, and so that one.
So did you explain why? I mean the reason.
Yeah, because there is no space inside the thing. Like table, there's no space inside the thing, right? And
hold
then
the water.
that's why they cannot hold the water.
Okay. You show the video also.
The video is only about song of water, miss.
Oh.
Uh,
I mean the video doesn't show like maybe somebody is pouring the water. No.
no, only the water. Where we can get water from the river, from the tap, like that.
Okay. ASP Science. This is about, ini masih tentang pekerjaan ya.
Ya, miss. Terakhir minggu ini tentang pekerjaan.
Ini apa yang Miss jelaskan lagi di sini? Karena minggu lalu kan sudah dijelaskan tentang pekerjaan kan.
Ya, kalau itu kalau ASP matematika sama ASP sains ada hubungannya dia, miss, karena kalau di ASP sains kali ini dia tentang ada menghitung, tapi sebelumnya saya memperkenalkan suatu pekerjaannya itu gitu. Kalau di ASP matematika itu alat pekerjaannya. Alatnya. Kalau di ASP
hubungannya ke menghitung apa? Matematika kan
matematika
menghitung ya.
Iya, tapi dia menghitung alatnya, miss.
Oh, alatnya.
Okay. Kalau misalnya di ASP Science menghitung juga kali ini yang di pekerjaan ini, miss. Tapi dia lebih spesifik ke pendidikannya. Sorry, bukan pendidikan, sorry, miss, pedagang maksud saya.
Minggu lalu pedagang sudah.
Minggu lalu iya macam pedagang, miss, masih generalnya, masih umumnya, tapi ini lebih yang apa yang mereka
spesifik.
Jual gitu.
Apa yang mereka jual. Jadi bagaimana Miss menjelaskannya?
Saya jelaskan jelaskan mengenai jenis-jenis pekerjaan dulu. Nah, itu ada dokter, ada polisi, karena kan itu waktunya sama matematika, miss, yang ASP Science kan. Jadi ada polisi, dokter, terus pedagang, guru. Nah, di ASP Science ini lebih ke pedagang. Biasanya di mana kalian jumpai pedagang? Di pasar. Apa yang mereka jual? Mereka jual tuh sayur, buah-buahan gitu. Nah, di gambar itu ada 2 pedagang, yang mana yang satu perempuan itu sedang menjual sayuran kangkung. Dan itu benarnya itu ada 3. Sedangkan yang laki-laki itu dia menjual telur, benarnya itu ada 5. Jadi di situ,
apanya 5?
Telur 5.
Telurnya 5.
Jadi di situ mereka diminta untuk melingkari benda mana yang paling banyak gitu, yang lebih banyak gitu deh. Jadi mereka lingkari sudah pasti yang telur gitu.
Hanya tentang berdagang aja gitu.
Iya, di halaman itu tentang pedagang aja, Miss.
Tapi Miss tambahin di sini ada polisi sama dokter.
Iya, polisi dokter itu ini Miss, awalnya aja gitu. Apa ya, Miss?
Maksudnya tidak dalam gitu yang kalian jelaskan tentang polisi dan dokter gitu.
Ada, polisi
Ada.
dan dokter itu eh, pertamanya dia Miss, tapi kalau yang lebih ke berhitungnya itu dia karena untuk menjawab soal itu Miss, karena di
Oh,
situ sudah jelas ada gambar dari dua pedagang itu
pedagang.
gitu.
Oke. Seperti tempatnya ada nggak Miss jelaskan? Misalnya kalau misalnya dokter di rumah sakit
Ya,
gitu, pedagang di sini gitu
ya,
ada.
karena di ASP Matematika juga ada itu tentang dokter sama Pak Pos. Jadi
Hmm.
mereka itu suruh menarik garis di mana dokter itu bekerja, di mana Pak Pos itu bekerja, itu dia Miss. Jadi mereka jawab Pak Pos bekerja di kantor pos, dokter bekerja di rumah sakit, gitu Miss.
Pedagang.
Pedagang bekerja di pasar.
Hmm. Berarti kalau pedagang yang jualan di kaki lima itu nggak pedagang juga.
Pedagang
Miss jelaskan nggak sampai ke situ atau fokusnya hanya pasar aja lah gitu biar
hanya
cepat gitu.
pasar kan,
Pasar gitu ya.
hanya pasar.
Miss batasi berarti hanya di pasar gitu.
Iya.
Untuk ASP bahasa
Bahasa ASP bahasa
ini
masih
tentang
ya,
pekerjaan juga.
pekerjaan juga.
Kenapa
Tapi
fokusnya hanya petani di sini?
karena di situ ini Miss, ada gambar petani dan guru, kemudian itu ada anak murid sedang menulis di sekolah.
Ada guru, tapi kenapa fokusnya ke petani gitu?
Petani itu juga ada, dia ada berapa 3 gambar. Yang pertama itu petani, ada terus kemudian murid sedang belajar, kemudian ada guru gitu di situ. Nah, fokus saya itu di petani karena petani itu sedang menanam padi di sawah. Makanya dijelaskan di situ, makanya di checkpoint itu ada petani, di mana petani bekerja, apa yang petani lakukan gitu dia, Miss.
Oke. Sejauh ini sudah berapa banyak jenis pekerjaan yang mereka hafal?
Di situ ada
Beserta dengan bidangnya dan tempat mereka bekerja gitu lah. Sudah bisakah mereka menjelaskan 5 gitu?
ada sekitar 5 Miss. Soalnya dia ada polisi, guru, dokter, kemudian itu ada pedagang dan nelayan.
Nelayan. Berarti Miss review lagi dari minggu-minggu sebelumnya gitu.
Iya, sebelum menjelaskan yang ini Miss, yang hari ini, saya review dulu supaya mereka ingat gitu.
Okay. So for the project,
We have today at the end of the lesson, that one is about Valentine's card.
Valentine's card.
Yes.
What did you make? The step, I mean.
Oh, the step. We just ask them to write down Happy Valentine's, and then they stick the stick.
The word is from you or up to them?
The word is from me, and then I show to them on the touchboard.
What is the word? Happy
Valentine's card. Yes, Miss. Happy Valentine's Day. That one. And heart.
You don't add like I love you mom, I love you dad, no?
No, they are too late to write, Miss.
So just Happy Valentine's Day.
Yes, and then they stick that one.
So before you go to do this part to make the Valentine's Day, didn't you explain first the reason why you choose this one?
Yes, the reason. Oh, I tell to them that today is Valentine's Day. That one is so that's why we make about that one Valentine's card.
So what did you need? What did you provide?
Oh, the paper, origami paper, that one, and glue, and then that one twin pen to write the words.
The paper, what kind of paper?
Origamis.
Only origami?
Yes.
But other teachers say that carton paper also is used.
No, Miss. That one only origami.
Only origami. What kind of color?
The color is colorful, Miss, like red, and then pink, blue, that they buy that we get from the buyer, we use it, Miss.
So is it only the shape you make,
The shape we make,
or
yes.
maybe you put the stick? No.
No, we just make the stick by roll them.
Mm.
The
It means you
from
make
the
it,
paper,
right?
yes, the paper we roll it,
Mm-mm.
then
You
the
put in the
baker
middle
into
so they can
yes,
hold it.
yes.
Did they give to you
What
the
the
the card?
the card? No,
No.
they bring home.
Bring home. Okay, so they just made one, yeah.
Yes, one student, one.
So what did they get after you made this?
They did.
What did they get? What did they get? Okay, students, after we made this, I hope this one, no?
Oh, I hope that I hope you can say Happy Valentine's to your mommy. That you say I love you to your mommy, and you can give this result to your mommy. That one is.
Okay then. Okay, all right. I think that's all for the evaluation for today, Miss. I think that there's no problem. Yes. Just about the card, the Valentine's Day card, because some teachers say that there are two papers. The first paper will be origami, and then the next one, carton paper.
But in fact, we use
Yes.
origami.
In fact, you just use origami. I mean, do you have the reason why don't you put a carton paper?
The carton paper, that one, like what yeah, Miss?
Too hard to be fold, you
Yeah,
mean?
no, like this. So hard to us to measure that, because we have to make, what is that? Yeah, the heart, right? And then we
Heart,
divide
the
it.
heart shape, you mean?
We divide it. If origami already square like that, so we can cut.
It will be easier, yeah,
Yes,
using origami.
easier. Yes, and then colorful, right? Means if carton only, red,
Why?
pink, and then black like that.
I think that's all, Miss, for the evaluation for today. You pass in this evaluation.
Thank you,
Thank
Miss.
you, Miss.